Hope everybody's having a great start to their day. Day in the life of a candy shop owner. We're about to go hit some weights real quick and maybe do some maintenance to the car. It's 10 o'clock, so a little late start to the day, but I'm sure we'll get into something by the day's end. Right, welcome to the dungeon. Ain't that nice, but it gets the job done. Alright, got that little workout in. Took about 30 minutes there. I think I'm gonna head over to the car wash. Yeah, 11:21, just finished that up. Gonna go get some gas real quick, then we're gonna go head back to the apartment and get some lunch. Psych, I'm out here running around without my wallet, so we're gonna go get that and probably gonna head back because we're too empty over here. Alright, we're back. Where is my scraper? I think it's handy when you need it. Never there when you don't. Alright, going right here. Go ahead and a mold. Got some sanitized water here. Throw a little bit of dish soap in there. Now, whenever you need to wipe something down, keep your workspace clean, you can do it. Got my knife looking good yet again. Onions from yesterday still look pretty good. Let's see. Got some onions from yesterday that we had stored away, look pretty good. I'm going to use some pine nuts to give this a little crunch today. This. Oh, what other kind of sauce might be good on here? That coleslaw is going to do a lot of the heavy lifting on the dryness of it that we were experiencing yesterday, and it's got a great tang to it. So we might just run it with this right here today. Keep it nice and easy. Chef Mike. Quick minute 30 in there. Probably the safer one. I'm gonna warm them tortillas up. Plate to put them on. So it might be too long. What we gonna do? We gonna burn it? Yeah. A little burnt on the edge right there. It's alright. Flip that over. Gonna scooch in right here. Excuse me, Chef Mike. Yep. Reestablish that shot. All right. Chicken is looking good. Throw some of my sandy water in here. Always good to wash the dishes as we go. Let the dishwasher do the heavy work. Alright. Go ahead and assemble it now. Got stuff falling on top of each other. Gonna get some of that slaw. We had a overnight brine in that. Tossed it with some mayo real quick, and it was delicious. I'm gonna load it up with that because that was good. That's gonna be a big flavor in this dish today. It's gonna do a lot of the heavy lifting. We're gonna do the onions first. I like washing my onions because it gives it less of a oniony taste. They're not as harsh. Especially important whenever you're just eating lunch and you're going back to work. So I'll top it with some pine nuts. Give it some extra crunch and nutty flavor. Was really wanting to make Thai chicken wraps, but I'm not making that dressing right now. Kind of on a time crunch. So that's gonna do it for this lunch. Let's get a shot. Not bad. 12 minutes. I think I'm on to pick up around the apartment real quick, do some dishes after that lunch. That was actually really good. That was a lot better than the one from yesterday. So let's get it. Make that coleslaw. I'm on link Sip and Feast down and below. That coleslaw is banging. Quick beverage review. We got this Welch's Fruit Punch from Platinum Distributing. Come in a little bottle, just like the good old days, man. Yeah, that's amazing right there. That's what's up. That stuff's good. Oh, rating 8.4 out of 10, man. That's banging fruit punch. That almost tastes like the Kool-Aid, man. Come on, get some of that. That's good. I might drink it all before you come, though. 12:14. I'm going to go ahead and work on a little bit of my website. I think it'd be a wise thing to do right now. So we're going to hop on Shopify real quick and get to work on it.